Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Also showing solidarity with victims of injustice by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. And now, today, celebration, International Day of Charity. On this International Day of Charity, discover the quiet power of giving and how charity continues to transform lives across the world. Stay tuned with us to the end to learn how we can all be part of this change. Share this video to spread kindness. Theme: Small Acts, Big Impact. Building a better world through charity. On this International Day of Charity, we celebrate the kindness, compassion, and giving spirit that brings people together across cultures and continents. Charity is more than giving money. It's helping someone in need, sharing your time, offering hope, and showing love in action. Charitable work reaches those facing hunger, poverty, illness, and crisis. It helps rebuild lives, restore dignity, and support growth. Individually, charity teaches us empathy and gratitude. As a society, it brings us closer. And for our nation, it builds a stronger, more caring future. A commitment to change and compassion. The power of charity is found in every act of kindness, no matter how small. Today, we celebrate the work of charities and volunteers who give selflessly, and we recommit to supporting them. These efforts bring healing, opportunity, and lasting change. Let's be part of a world where no one is forgotten and everyone gets a chance to rise. As individuals, when we give, even something small, we feel more human. It brings peace to our hearts and joy that lasts longer than money ever could. Helping someone in need reminds us that we all matter. As a society, a caring society is a strong society. When people help each other, we see less crime, less pain, and more love. Neighbors trust each other more. Communities grow closer. We build safer streets, healthier families, and happier lives. All because someone chose to care. As a nation, charity is the soul of a nation. It reduces poverty, supports education, and creates jobs. It turns pain into progress and struggle into strength. Nations that give are nations that grow, in pride, in peace, and in people. Now hear the stories of two people whose lives were touched by charity. In Kenya, Joseph, a young man once homeless, shares, "I used to sleep on the street and beg for food. A local charity helped me learn carpentry and gave me a place to stay. Now I run my own workshop and train others like me. That one act of kindness gave me a new life." Just a quick break. If you are enjoying this, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications for more global events. Subscription is free and it helps us grow our impact. After watching, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you. Welcome back. In the Philippines, Ana, a single mother of two, remembers, "When the typhoon destroyed our home, we had nothing. But charity workers gave us food, shelter, and helped me start selling handmade crafts. I now support my family and help my community recover. That help gave me hope when I had none." To all charity workers, the unsung heroes, to every person working in charities, volunteers, donors, field workers, thank you. You may never be on the front page, but your work changes lives every single day. You are the heartbeat of humanity, and we salute your silent strength. For those who haven't yet given, your turn starts now. If you've never been part of charity work, now is the time. You don't need to be rich or powerful to help. A warm meal, a shared skill, a kind word, it all counts. Start with what you have. Someone out there is waiting for your act of kindness. Happy International Day of Charity. Let's continue to uplift, support, and care for each other, because together we can build a kinder, fairer world. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes, those who give without expecting anything in return. I hope you gain some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, Titus Ogbetera. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, 7th September, International Day of Clean Air for Blue Sky. 7th September, International Day of Police Cooperation. 8th of September, International Literacy Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.